Airspace is rapidly evolving. Aerobits connects all its users, operators, institutions, and manufacturers into one intelligent ecosystem.
An operator mounts a remote ID device on a drone and uses a phone to activate that.
From hobby flights to long-range BVLOS missions, Aerobits ensures compliance, safety, and smart connectivity across every level of operation. Public safety institutions, police, rescue, airports, and defense rely on Aerobits for real-time monitoring, airspace awareness, and integration with UTM and ATM systems. For manufacturers, Aerobits delivers miniature OEM modules, ready for seamless integration into any platform. Connecting drones, institutions, and technology. Aerobits, see beyond.